how to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how you can transfer Bitcoin to Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to basically transfer Bitcoin to Cash App, you have to open up Cash App. Then whenever you're on this particular page, you can see USD. But if you want to send Bitcoin, you have to tap on USD and change this to Bitcoin. And if you have enough Bitcoin, you'll be taken back to this page without having to ask to buy Bitcoin. You can simply enter the dollars worth of Bitcoin you want to send to someone, or you can go to Bitcoin. If you have someone's Bitcoin address's QR code, you can scan the QR code by just tapping this option, scanning the QR code of the Bitcoin address, and once done, you'll be able to send Bitcoin to that person. This way you'll be able to transfer Bitcoin to Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.